Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I can show you total of 5 Dofollow directory submission websites so where we can create a directory backlink. So the first website name is prolinkdirectory.com, and before the started, if you are doing directory submission, so you can consider your index page or your category page or your master of your services pages, because from these pages you drive traffic and you build service authority and your brand authority. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so this is the first website. So there is a add site button, you can click over there, and I have already prepared the content. So you can see there this is my title, and this is the short description and something big content maybe. Okay, and these are the all details about the company address and the contact. So there you guys can add your title. So this is the title, best video interview platform, and there you guys can add your URL, and this section you guys can add a description, and there you can add your business name, email ID, and you can choose your category. Then you can verify the captcha, then you can click to continue button, and you can see the link is submitted and the waiting for the approval. So you can go for the latest site section, and there you can see this is our directory submission backlink best video interview platform jobma, and this is the directory landing page URL, and I can show you this is a Dofollow backlink. So you can see it's a 100% Dofollow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So now we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is livelink.org. So there is a add site button. You guys can follow the same process. So there we can going to add the description, brand name, email ID, then we can going to choose a category. Now we can click to continue, and the link is submitted. So we can navigate for the latest site section. This is still taking loading. Okay, and you can see this is our directory backlink. There is a link details button, you guys can click over there and you can find your landing page URL. So this is, and you guys will know all the directory backlink can provide a Dofollow backlink. So next website name is justdirectory.org, and there is a submit button, you can click over there, and there we can add a title, we can verify the captcha, and now you can click to continue button. This button is not clickable. So link is submitted. So there is a new links button, you can click over there, and you can see this is our backlink, and there is a button details, you can click over there. So this is a landing page. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients URL. And then so now we can move forward to the next website. So the next website name is trafficdirectory.org, and there is a add site button. And you can verify your captcha, and now we can click for the continue button. So link is submitted and waiting for the approval. So there is a latest site button. You can click over there and you will see this is our directory backlink, and this is our directory backlink landing page URL. You can see the best video interview platform Jobma, and this is the details. So this is a last one, uniquelisting.com, and there is a submit button, and there we can follow the same process what we did previously. So there you guys can add your title. There we can going to add a description, name, email ID. Then we can going to choose and now we can verify the motorcycle, and so now we can click to continue button, and the link is submitted. And now there is a latest link button, and this is our directory backlink. So you can click for the link details, and you can see this is our landing page URL. So we have created total 5 Dofollow directory submission backlink today, and all the websites URL I can provide over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details for the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.